on the entire scalp we have about 100,000 hair follicles. And जब हम हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट करते हैं हम लोग 3,000 4,000 कितना 5-6 बाल ले पाएंगे. तो 1 लाख बाल को कवर करने के लिए अगर मैं 5,000 बाल लगाऊंगा तो कितना ही कवर कर लेंगे. दैट इज़ वाई इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू स्टार्ट अर्ली इन लाइफ, बिकॉज हम लोग उसको मेडिकली या कंजर्वेटिवली मैनेज कर सकते हैं. So recently I came across Traya, where they have an amazing team of dermatologists, Ayurvedic doctors and nutritionists. So they'll help diagnose your condition कि बॉस तुम्हें hair fall जो है is it male pattern hair loss or not, and if it is male pattern hair loss or androgenetic alopecia उसका stage क्या है. They'll give you a customized treatment plan and they will also help give you a nutrition plan. So it will be like a very holistic way of tackling your hair fall. And one thing that I really like about them is that they've delivered this result to about 150,000 patients. So it's pretty cool. Check it out. Head to Traya Health and take the free hair test. Then get your doctor prescribed treatment plan and start your journey with a free diet plan and a hair coach.